Welcome back. This is Jacob Milligan, owner of 9M Investments, and today we're going to jump into the numbers from June's private investment performance. I believe private equity, private real estate, and private credit are essential parts to any balanced portfolio. And we're going to jump through the performance and see how we did in June. So looking at the private equity portion of these investments first, looking at the iDirect Private Markets Fund and the BlackRock Private Investment Fund, both were positive in June. BlackRock having an outstanding month at 2.23%. Both are right above 6% on the year. Actually trailing the kind of the public markets there, but if you look at the size of these companies and the types of companies, they're more comparable to the Russell 2000 smaller companies versus the S&P 500 sized companies. So compared to those, the year-to-date performance has been quite good. Looking at the private credit side, again, where we hold these for clients is typically geared toward income. As you can see, very strong dividends within this space, two over 10%, one right below 10%. Year to date, all are positive. Again, very strong returns and, of course, very strong dividend. And then lastly, looking at the real estate portion, we hold Blackstone REIT and Nuveen's Global City REIT, both positive in June, both positive year to date. And again, very strong dividends. One of the nice things about these dividends is there can be some tax advantages with those as well. So if these sit in a taxable account, individual account, some of this is considered return of capital. So from a tax equivalency, it's not 5%, it's closer to 8%. So very, very strong returns depending on where these sit. For each client, each person, whether you're using these dividends for income or just to help balance out an overall portfolio. As you can see, one of the biggest advantages of these is the less volatility. If you look at what was going on in the public markets in June, whether it be equities or fixed income, one of the really impressive things with these is the consistency of all these investments. So the ability to help balance out a portfolio, lower the volatility overall in the portfolio, therefore keeping people from making mistakes, reacting to kind of short-term moves. That is all the purpose of why we hold these type of investments. So if you have questions, if this would fit in your portfolio, or if you have any other questions at all, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help. I hope you have a great day.